Hey guys, it's your boy Al coming to you with a new video. I have the Michelin bed liner here, and today we're going to be installing it in my 2019 F-150, and then we're going to do a review on it. Let's get right into the content. We have the Michelin all-weather truck bed mat for the 2015 through 2026 F-150 6.5 foot bed, and we are going to start this review video. We'll make it pretty quick, but I want to pull this out of the box for the first time, and then I'm going to set it out. They actually told me in the instructions after I purchased it that it should sit out for at least 24 hours, but it's best if you can let it sit out in the sun and kind of let it unravel, because of course you guys are going to see me pull it out of the box here real quick. So it's got a interesting bag that it comes in, but it's got a nice logo on the side. And there is a mat inside here, which feels pretty nice. It's rubbery. I've seen these mats before, and they've been kind of like a hard plastic, like a WeatherTech mat. I don't really like those. This one is a lot more soft and has a little bit more drag to it, so that when you're putting stuff in the bed of your truck, it's not sliding around. So I just wanted to get it out of the box right away, and then we're going to set it in my truck, set it out in the sun, and let it unravel, and I'll show you what that looks like in a couple days. Alright guys, so we've had the Tread Auto Michelin bed mat laying out for a couple days now, and it's turned out to get really nice and smooth and flat for us. So you can see here, we don't have any wrinkles in it anymore. Taking a look at it for the first time, some of the things or the features that I really like about it is it has a nice texture to it so that things won't slip around. You can see that the edges are raised so that if we end up needing to clean this, you can see we got dirt bikes that we put in the bed of the truck, and so this will be nice for mud and being able to wash out mud really easily. And you can also see here we have like a little recessed hole, and you might be wondering what these are for. They are for the bolts that mount the bed to the frame of the truck, and so it's nice that they include those and that they map them out, because that's also going to help keep it in the truck so that it doesn't slide around. So you can see over here is where those pucks are. These are the bolts that hold the bed to the truck, and so it's nice that they put them in there. At this point, we're going to throw the mat in the truck for the first time and see how it fits, and show you how it looks in the truck. Alrighty guys, so one of the advantages that I am hoping for with the bed mat is you can see that this truck has a bed liner in it, which is nice. I do enjoy the factory bed liner. It's going to look nice on the sides with the bed mat in there. It adds some durability, but now I'm hoping to get a little bit more of the anti-slip, because as you can see, this thing moves around pretty effortlessly. You can see I have the bed bar cross member in here just because I use this truck to get fuel quite a bit, and so the cans moving around is something that I'm hoping we can slow down or maybe even stop with the bed mat. So I'm going to show you that as well once we get the bed mat installed in here. Guys, so we got the bed mat installed. As you saw, I just folded it into 2 of the 3 sections, made it like a taco, and shoved it in there. The one thing that you'll notice is that it goes underneath the hooks really nicely, but the one way to do that is to lift it up in the center and tuck them underneath instead of just trying to push them down. They get caught on this. So as I'm looking at it, I really like the way that it fits. It's tight, which is a really good thing, because you don't want one that's like sliding around. All the edges look like they fit really good. The one thing to note is that they didn't contour it to this individually, so I guess that could be an area where you could get some dirt between it, but I don't necessarily think that that is going to be a huge area of concern for letting dirt through. You can see that I'm pushing on this or pulling on it, and it doesn't move much. I'm probably moving the whole truck more than I'm moving the bed mat, but at this point I would like to put the gas can in and see how it slides around. That seems to be an improvement, actually.
Seems like it's got a lot of grip, actually.
I'm pushing on it considerably harder than I was before, and it's...
Well, put it on your tailgate.
You know, I wish I had like a fish scale, and then I could like do like a pull and see how easily it pulled before. And because this is all, you're taking my word for it, but that's a big difference. I think you can see it from just going from one to the other. I think that's an improvement, a big improvement actually. So aside from that, I'm going to use the mat for a couple weeks here and then give you some final thoughts on it after I've used it for a little while and lived with it for a little bit. Alrighty guys, so one of the big advantages that I find to the Tread Auto Michelin bed mat is that it's pretty easy to clean. And so I'll show you right now. I've used the truck a little bit and you can see we've got some clippings in the bed and it's dusty. So I'm going to spray this out with the pressure washer really quick and show you how easy it is to clean this. Alright, so you can see there's nothing complex. What I really like about it so far is that it's beating up water. So it doesn't, you can see how this kind of sheets on and there's no beads to the water on here. And then you can come over here and see how it starts to repel the water a little bit. I don't know if it's going to last long term, but it just depends on how they made it and that kind of thing. So you can see, pretty easy to clean. I do like that advantage to it. And if it was really muddy, like if I had dirt bikes in the back or something like that, then I just slide it out. I wash it off in the yard, don't have to deal with the muddle or the driveway, and then I can slide it right back in. All right guys, so I've been living with the Michelin bed mat for a couple weeks now, and overall, I really like the bed mat. I definitely noticed that the fuel cans don't slip around as much. The one thing that I will say, now they don't slide forward and back, but when they have so much grip on the bottom, if I don't put a couple things between them or put enough cans back here to go all the way across, they do get a little bit more tippy just because they're sticky instead of sliding, but you kind of fight one evil with the other. So as you saw, I did get it dirty. I had some stuff in the bed, it got dusty. It cleaned up really nicely. I ended up just pressure washing it and didn't use any chemicals or soap or anything like that. Cleaned up really good. I really like how it has the sides on it so that it keeps all the water in there. The one thing that's really annoying is like when you clean one of these and then the water gets underneath the bed mat and then you got to take the bed mat out to let everything dry before you put it back in. This one's easy to clean, keep the water in the bed, and then you don't have to clean underneath it, which I really enjoy. The Michelin brand also sells floor liners and rear seat liners for protecting your carpet inside the vehicle. I think it maintains a similar construction to this and a similar feel. I know that the designs are a little bit different. I'll put a photo of that up on the screen here to show you what those look like. But if you're interested in this for your F-150, definitely check out the Michelin floor liners as well. Just for you guys, I will say I have a discount code, which I'll throw up on the screen right here. You guys can save some money. And also I will link down below the product links directly to their website, and also Amazon. If you got some gift cards you want to burn up or something like that, you can get this stuff on Amazon as well. So overall, I really like the bed mat. I think it's a good purchase. I think I'm going to use the crap out of it with putting stuff in the bed of this thing. And until I see you guys on the next one, peace.